Hello, little dreamers! Welcome to Dream Nest Kids! Let's start today's magical adventure! Welcome to Dream Nest Kids!
Once upon a time, a father lived with his three sons in a peaceful village. But the brothers argued every single day.
The father decided to teach them an important lesson. My sons, bring me a bundle of sticks.
He asked them to bring a bundle of sticks.
My son, take this bundle of sticks and try to break it. My son, one by one, every brother tried, but no one succeeded. Then the father untied the bundle. Now each stick broke very easily. My sons, always, together you are strong. Alone, you become weak.
Let's not fight again. We promise.
The brothers learned their lesson and stayed united.
Bless you, my sons.
Thank you for watching, little friends! We had so much fun learning with you today. Click subscribe and join the Dream Nest Kids family for more magical adventures. Bye-bye!